Hi guys, welcome to our channel Stuff About Tutorials. And in this video we are talking about how to delete cache data from PC or laptop in Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. Now you have to write run in your menu bar and then you have to press enter. When you press enter, then the pop-up will appear on your screen. Once the pop-up will appear on your screen, then you have to go with. But I am going to tell you shortcut key about it, so I'm going to cut it, and now I am going to press Window plus R. Yeah, remember that you have to press Window plus R, then same pop-up will appear on your screen and you have to go with it. So guys, now the next step is you have to write prefetch over here and then press OK. Once you press OK, then all the cache data will be shown here and you have to select all the data. And when you select all the data, then you have to press delete. And just few seconds you will see all the data has been clear. Some of files may not get deleted, so this is absolutely fine. You can select as it is, so mark it and skip. So guys, you can see all the unnecessary data has been deleted from my laptop. So this is how to delete cache from laptop or PC. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.